Page 22, this is number 3 at the bottom of the page. It's another harmonization practice. I'll look it over. It's 2 lines long, treble bass clef, 2 flats in the key signature. We're either in the key of G or B flat major or G minor. We're ending on a G. I'm guessing it's G minor. 3/4 time signature. Let's just make sure we have the melody okay. We're here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Not too bad, I hope. Simple enough. Now the chords. Well, they're giving you the note name or chord names again. So you have a G minor chord someplace. I don't care where it is. It's someplace. It's here. And then an F, an E flat, a D. It says D major because if they wanted D minor, they'd put a little M after the D or use a lowercase d. Here, since in G minor, they gave you a little M. This is D major. It's got an F sharp in it. Well, that's normal for G minor because the 7th step in G minor is an F. So if you use a harmonic minor, it would be an F sharp. So that's all they're doing is using harmonic minor. And then back up to a G minor, C minor, D major again, G minor. So I want to hear the harmony with the melody. It's this. F, E flat, D, G minor, C, D. Okay. Now I don't want to play block chords and I don't want to play root position where I'm moving around. So I want some, where can I go? I can go here. I'm going down 1. This is fine. Going down. That's fine. I just went down the scale. But then here, I want to go to C minor. Well, C minor is, if I do C minor and put G on the bottom, it's that. So I can go from here to here, or here. I don't care how you finger it, just finger it. And then a D major. So D major, I put the D on top. I'm not moving around. So it's here. G minor again. So there, I was close, huh? And then once I do that, I'll figure out something besides block chords. It's 3/4 time. Like that, you don't have to. How about bottom, top, middle? That's another pattern. I could just go here. So, whatever. The pattern is up to you. Experiment with different patterns. Have fun with it. Now they want you to transpose it to C minor. Okay, so we're going from G minor to C minor. Adding another flat. C minor has 3 flats. The B flat, the E flat, and the A flat. So here I'm taking it down a 4th. So the melody is all in one position here. So I just put it in one position here or here, wherever. And I just play the same fingers. There for the melody, and then the chords, I got to take them all down from a G to a C, a 5th down. So I'm here, instead of a G, it's a C minor, and then instead of an F, it's a B flat minor. I got to stay within the key of C minor, and C minor has a B flat, an E flat, and an A flat. I got to stay within those, except for the raised 7th. So it's a B flat chord, and then an E flat chord would be an A flat chord, and then a D chord, D major chord, would be a G major chord. So again, I have the raised 7th step, C minor, the 7th step, I just raise it up, so it's a G major chord. A G minor, 2nd line, and then the C minor is an F minor, and then the D minor becomes a D major, excuse me, and then a C major. So I'm taking all the chords down a perfect 5th, and I'm playing the notes within the key of C minor, except of course for the raised 7th step. You have fun with that. If you have questions, ask your teacher.